Do what it don't want to do, JL Squad JL Gang. So today my little sister is gonna be doing a slime tutorial.
I don't know why you said that. I thought I was gonna get it myself.
And she will be making a slime tutorial. I already have slime made, or if she don't want to make a slime tutorial, well, I'm gonna be showing you guys different types of things you can use slime for. Like I'm gonna show you how to be making bubbles with slime. Alright, so let's get started. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna change my colors. I'm just gonna use nail polish and I'm gonna put the dots in the middle and flatten it out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I put 5 dots. They're not too little, they're not too big. It's just gonna make it grayer than what it already is. Nail polish will not get on your hands. That was my little sister, but she don't want to do it, so I'm gonna make my slime longer. It's jiggly right now. Well, it's kind of jiggly, but not really. I'm gonna y'all didn't see that. Ah, the camera fell. Okay. I'm gonna move over here so you guys can see it. Okay, and I just mixed it up. So like that. I'm just gonna mix it up. Mix it. It's just gonna make it stretchier and less putty. Now, if it gets sticky at the time, mine is kind of, but not really. You could just take some of more of your activator jade. You just take, just like pour a little dot in it. You don't even need that much to fix it. And you would take it and flip it like you're making a bubble. I will be giving shout outs sooner on in the vlog channel, so like, subscribe, comment, share, go follow me on Musical.ly. Link will be in the description below, but just in case I forget, it's Jalissa. Ah, my toe hurt.
That's your vlog, Jalissa, on my toe.
No, it's Jalissa 100, JLISSA 100 100. And follow me, text me, I will text back, comment, I will comment back. And leave your Musical.ly name in the comment section. Because if you do that, I will be looking at you guys' Musical.ly, so. No, I'm not doing that. No. That's a lie. No,
and guys, she's gonna give you guys $100.
No, she's lying. I'm not giving you guys $100. No, I'm not. No. No. Okay, guys, here's my bouncy slime. It's bouncy. I call it bouncy because like
that is not no bouncy slime. What the heck?
Jiggly heck of jiggly. Alright, so here you go. So you kind of just want to ball it up. Ball it up.
My slime.
Alright, move. Get on my vlog. You just want to ball it, and flatten it out with 2 fingers or 3. I use my 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. I just smack it down. And you just want to take two sides like this. And you're gonna flip it. Ah, ah, ah. I gotta remake it so I can get so y'all can take snapshots at that time. I love her. I love her. I don't know why it's making my face look like it's really an oval, but it's not. I hate when cameras do that. I love her. I love her. I follow it up in a circle. That look go hurt. Sometimes it just don't feel what kind of figures I use. 1, 2, ready, set, go. Whoa. Or you could do this. You could go like that. You just go like that, or go like this. And then you go. Oh, how do you do that? Like that. And then. I'm gonna be going live, so make sure y'all check out that. But I have to wait 24 hours to go live. I'm kinda shy, but oh, y'all see that?
Ooh, that's tight, the wall. That tight.
Jerry, you ready? Help me with this.
That is big. Here, you want to mix those up? But then this one, and you can have it.
Wait, finish that one. Wait, Jerry, can I use this one?
No, because you're not mixing. No.
Oh, this one is putty.
It's not putty, retard.
Jerry, come help me with this bubble.
Put up, cuz.
La 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 her, la her. Alright, this is the real test to see if it's stretchy. Well, this is kind of the fake test, but
Mine best to look better than hers.
she actually made my guy. Download Granny, guys. It's like a game. It's like a Granny game. At first you'll get scared, but then you'll get used to it. Her.
Comment down below who look better. Mine is like a turquoise green, maybe. It looked like
Mine's
this
is like a silver color.
No, yours like gray.
Mine's is like silver, like basically, except for it's gray kind of.
Mine is like a turquoise color.
See, hold on, look, get a good snapshot of that.
Mine is like a turquoise color, y'all.
Hold on, wait. Get your face out of it so they can get a snapshot.
Jalissa, let me show them. This look like kind of turquoise.
Okay, get out
color,
now. Get out. This ain't your vlog.
green.
You can start your own YouTube channel. And the other way you can make bubbles, but she don't want to help me, so I'm gonna try with this bottle. This, yeah. So I'm just gonna stick something like that. Oh, that was a disaster.
That makes it putty.
What? No, it don't. It makes it stretchy.
When I put lotion in mine, I made it putty.
It doesn't make my putty. Alright guys, and I'm not gonna end it, but you guys ain't gonna be watching me no more. You're gonna be watching how I do my slime.